हेलो स्टूडेंट, सिंस हमारा चैप्टर ख़त्म हो चुका था और अब हम इसकी बुक एक्टिविटी देख रहे हैं. सो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग दिस आई वांट टू टेल यू दैट आंसर्स विच यू हैव गॉट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ PDF with hard words were incorrect, right? They were incorrect. So correct answers, I'm going to show you the correct one. The first one is choose the correct answer and fill in the blank. So the percentage of total surface area of earth that is covered by land is 30. 30% of total surface area of the earth is covered by land. Okay, not 40%. So correct answer is 30. B. The alpine meadow is used for. Meadow means a kind of field or the place which is used for grazing, right? So the alpine meadow is used for. Correct answer is grazing, not cultivation. Grazing. Correct answer is D. India's forest cover is. This answer is correct. Correct answer is 22%. India's forest cover is 22%. Then the Ganga plain is covered with dash soil. The kind of soil present at Gangetic plain is alluvial soil, not red soil. Correct answer is D, alluvial soil. Next is gully erosion is common in. Correct answer is Chambal Valley. A. Chambal Valley, not coastal plains. Okay. So I hope आपने आंसर्स करेक्ट कर लिए होंगे. Next, state whether true or false. If false, correct the statement. We are not correcting the statement. We are just stating that whether it's true or false. First is land under agriculture is less in India than in UK. So this statement is wrong. If you have seen that table while chapter explanation which was given to you as homework, from that table you will come to it result that the land under agriculture in India is more than in UK. Okay, so planned land use help in its optimum utilization. Now using a land with a proper planning helps to use resources with optimum utilization. So that statement is true. Next is it takes 10 years to get a 2 to 3 centimeter thick layer of soil. So this statement is wrong, not 10 years. The correct answer is it takes 1000 years to get 2 to 3 centimeter thick layer of soil. So statement is false. Next is the mineral present in soil depend upon the type of the parent rock. Yes, it completely depend upon the parent rock that the what kind of or what type of minerals are present in soil. So this statement is true. Then laterite soil is found in the Himalayan region. This statement is false. Next, measure column. Alluvial soil. Deposition of sand and slit. C. Black soil. Weathering of volcanic rocks. A. Red soil. Weathering of igneous rocks. Mountain soil. Deposition of organic matter. Desert soil. Deposition of sand in arid region. So series will be 24153. Okay. Wise use of resources is called. Now the proper use of resources or planned use of resources is called conservation. 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 Next is land provides almost -% of a requirement. Now land provides almost 95% of a requirement. 95% of our requirement is fulfilled or provided by land. The plateau region of world are rich in, now the plateau regions, they are rich in minerals, minerals, minerals. A view of the different layer of soil is known as soil profile. Now different views of layer, the different layers, right, different layers of soil is known as soil profile. layers, layers. Humus provides organic matter to the soil. Humus, humus, humus. Humus is an organic matter, a kind of fossil remains. They provide organic matter to the soil. Okay.